Uses of media clips and action buttons. Media files such as video and audio enhance the understanding of a presentation. Sometimes we feel that we can explain our views in a better way by using a media file instead of text. On the other hand, action buttons help other people using our presentation in navigating from one slide to another. We can also assign a particular task to be done when the viewer of the presentation clicks on an action button. Adding a video file. You can add video files to your presentation. This video file can be played at a particular time while running a slideshow. To add a video to the presentation, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on Video command. 3. Click on Online Video command. 4. Type what you want to search and press Enter key. 5. Click on the video you want to insert. 6. Click on Insert button. In PowerPoint, you can insert the following video file types: Windows Video.asf, Windows Video.avi, MP4 Video.mp4.m4v.mov, Movie.mpg or .mpeg, Adobe Flash.swf, and Windows Media Video.wmv. Adding sound. To insert an audio file, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on the Audio command. 3. Choose the desired option. 4. Select the file. 5. Click on the Insert button. 6. Click on Play or Pause button to play or pause the audio. When you click the audio icon, two contextual tabs, Format and Playback, appear on the ribbon under Audio Tools tab. In PowerPoint, you can insert the following audio file types: AIFF audio, .aiff, AU audio.au, MIDI.mid or .midi, MP3.mp3, Advanced Audio Coding, MPEG-4 audio, .m4a or .mp4, Windows Audio.wave, and Windows Media Audio.wma. Adding action button. As you know that an action button can be used to move from one slide to another and play media files. To add an action button, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on Shapes drop-down button. 3. Select the desired action button and click on the slide where you want to insert the action button. 4. Click on either the Mouse Over or Mouse Click tab. 5. To apply your selected action, click on OK button.